Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shane's Tech, and in this video, I'm going to unbox the iPhone SE 2nd generation or the iPhone SE 2020 in the year 2023. So without any further ado, let's get started. Right here we have the packaging, and let's open this box and see the inside. As you can see, this device has an Apple ID, so it cannot be easily stolen while being delivered. And by the way, this device is not brand new. I bought it used in a lower price as an upgrade from my iPhone SE first generation that was released on the year 2016. And finally, here's the box. This iPhone has 128 gigs of storage and it is in white color. Let's open it up. We have the paper stuff containing the SIM ejector tool and the instruction manual. And here's the phone. Let's take it out. If you might have noticed, the phone's design is familiar, because it has the same design on the front as the iPhone 6, 6S, 7, and 8. Except for the back, which is now made of glass instead of aluminum. And the Apple logo has been moved down to the center, unlike in the iPhone 8 Apple logo, which is located in the upper part. With a glass back, it feels more premium, yet slippery. We also have the wired Lightning earpods and a 5-watt power brick, which no longer included in the newer iPhones except for the Lightning cable. This iPhone doesn't have Face ID, it still uses the Touch ID. Now let's power it up. And let's check the iOS version of this iPhone. It is running iOS 15.4.1 as you can see. I chose the color white because it looks clean and it doesn't show many fingerprints as a black iPhone would. Let's check the camera, and it seems like it is working just fine. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos. Give a like and subscribe to my channel, and peace out.